नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा enunciating text 18, text 19, text 20 and text 21 of chapter 18. The battle between Lord Boar and the demon Hiranyaksha of third canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 18. एवं गदाभ्याम गुरुभ्याम हरयक्षो हरिरेवच जिगीषया सुसंरब्धाव न्योन्यम Vijagna-tuha. In this way, the demon Harayaksha and the Lord, the personality of Godhead, struck each other with their huge maces, each enraged and seeking his own victory. Harayaksha is another name for Hiranyaksha, the demon. Text 19. Tayoh sprudhos tigma gada hatangayoh kshata srava ghrana vivruddha manyavoh vichitra margamsh चरतोर जिगीषया व्यभादिलाया नीव शुष्मिणोर मृधः. There was keen rivalry between the two combatants. Both had sustained injuries on their bodies from the blows of each other's pointed maces, and each grew more and more enraged at the smell of blood on his person. In their eagerness to win, they performed maneuvers of various kinds, and their contest looked like an encounter between two forceful bulls for the sake of a cow. Here the earth planet is called Ila. This earth was formerly known as Ilavrata Varsha, and when Maharaj Parikshit ruled the earth, it was called Bharat Varsha. Actually, Bharat Varsha is the name for the entire planet, but gradually Bharat Varsha has come to mean India, as India has recently been divided into Pakistan and Hindustan. Similarly, the earth was formerly called Ilavrata Varsha, but gradually as time passed, it was divided by national boundaries. Text 20. Daityasya yajñavayavasya maya gruhita varaha tanora mahatmanah kauravyamohayam dvishatora vimardanam didrukshuragat rushibhiravritah swarat. O descendant of Kuru, Brahma, the most independent demigod of the universe, accompanied by his followers, came to see the terrible fight for the sake of the world between the demon and the personality of Godhead, who appeared in the form of a boar. The fight between the Lord, the supreme personality of Godhead, and the demon is compared to a fight between bulls for the sake of a cow. The earth planet is also called go or cow. As bulls fight between themselves to ascertain who will have union with a cow, there is always a constant fight between the demons and the Supreme Lord or his representative for supremacy over the earth. Here the Lord is significantly described as Yajñavayava. One should not consider the Lord to have the body of an ordinary boar. He can assume any form, and he possesses all such forms eternally. It is from him that all other forms have emanated. This boar form is not to be considered the form of an ordinary hog. His body is actually full of yajna or worshipful offerings. Yajna sacrifices are offered to Vishnu. Yajna means the body of Vishnu. His body is not material, therefore he should not be taken to be an ordinary boar. Brahma is described in this verse as Swarat. Actually, full independence is exclusive to the Lord himself, but as part and parcel of the Supreme Lord, every living entity has a minute quantity of independence. Each and every one of the living entities within this universe has this minute independence, but Brahma, being the chief of all living entities, has a greater potential of independence than any other. He is the representative of Krishna, the supreme personality of Godhead, and has been assigned to preside over universal affairs. All other demigods work for him, therefore he is described here as Swarat. He is always accompanied by great sages and transcendentalists, all of whom came to see the bullfight between the demon and the Lord. Text 21. Asanna shaundirama peta sadhvasam krita pratikaram harya vikramama विलक्ष्य दैत्यम भगवान सहस्रणिर जगाद नारायणमादि सुकरम. After arriving at the place of combat, Brahma, the leader of thousands of sages and transcendentalists, saw the demon who had attained such unprecedented power that no one could fight with him. Brahma then addressed Narayan, who was assuming the form of a boar for the first time. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.